So this is the spring walk. These haven't quite managed to come out yet. I love this every spring, coming through here. And there's this tunnel of hawthorn. This is the hawthorn that comes out later. Let me just show you what I mean. It's a bit slippy here. So this is just about to start. And you go, it's like a cathedral, you know? You go through this cathedral of flowers eventually. And I feel like a bride every springtime here. And it's so pretty. So there's the other hawthorn that's already come out. I keep slipping every step. Isn't this pretty? Look. Look. And you go through. It's really special. You're surrounded by these beautiful trees here. I haven't quite managed to touch like they have further down. And it's just glorious. It's this little passage. It's like you're going through two little cathedrals every springtime, and it just lifts my heart every time that spring is there and I walk through here and I see this, and I feel so special going through here at springtime. Makes my heart sing, you know. Look, see? And that was my, that's the bridal shower there. And these guys here, see, they've all been chopped down, but they now look like little bouquets, you know, like there's the stalk, look, see, you hold the bouquet and there's the flowers rushing down on all the little bouquets everywhere here. Isn't that pretty? Look, that one's particularly pretty. Look, it looks like it's all sort of, it's like stars falling down. You know, when you look at those galaxies where new stars are being formed, they have these chains, don't they? If you go on Thunderbolts, they show you. That's what that looks like to me. It's so pretty. I just thought I'd share that with you guys, because I'm just enamored despite the rain.